Tune into ESG Matters with Risk Insights, where we explore ESG with impact. Hi, everyone, and welcome to ESG Matters with Risk Insights. I'm your host, Anushka Bogdanov. Before I dive into today's episode, let me take the time to congratulate the Johannesburg Stock Exchange and Risk Insights in the collaboration to drive sustainable business in South Africa using Risk Insights AI-powered tool, ESG GPS. It is a pleasure to be here today to discuss transformative forces shaping our world, that is, artificial intelligence. Let's discuss DeepSeek and explore this. From a business perspective, I'd say DeepSeek is shaking up things, which could benefit users through better and more affordable tools. But as someone that is deeply involved in ESG, I'd want to understand more about transparency and how it's managed, ethics and sustainability in the AI development space. AI governance is far from mature, and DeepSeek's emergence highlights just how urgently this issue needs attention. With platforms like this making advanced AI open source, the risk around data privacy, misuse, and ethical considerations will grow exponentially. Now, one of the biggest gaps is the lack of unified global frameworks for AI governance. Different countries and regions are working on their own policies, and there is very little alignment, which could lead to loopholes being exploited. For example, how does a regulator ensure that an open AI source is used ethically across borders? What happens when its applications start interfering with people's privacy, jobs, and even national security? Data privacy is a major concern. Many platforms don't disclose how their user data is collected, processed, and stored, especially when models are being trained. If companies don't adhere to robust privacy frameworks, the potential for misuse, whether it's surveillance, bias, or even cyber threats, becomes immense. I think regulators and policymakers will have to step up significantly. Governance frameworks will need to ensure accountability so that there are clear rules for who is responsible for the outcomes of AI systems. We need to ensure that we protect data privacy so there are stricter rules around data storage, sharing, and anonymity. There needs to be mandate transparency so that there are disclosures on how models are trained, what data is used, and how biases are mitigated. As well as we need to anticipate misuse so we can proactively address potential applications in harmful ways from propaganda to weaponization. Democratization of AI is an exciting leap for innovation and accessibility, but without proper controls, it's a double-edged sword. The availability of AI to empower developing countries, bridge knowledge gaps, as well as drive economic growth is immense, but without safeguards, we are undermining societal structures. AI has already shown its potential for harm through misinformation, deep fakes, as well as automated biases. Without regulations tailored to a country's unique socio-economic and cultural context, AI platforms could inadvertently exacerbate inequality as well as enable harmful surveillance and undermine democratic systems. Regulating AI country by country makes sense in the absence of global frameworks, though it creates challenges for cross-border technologies. Each country will need to establish strong privacy laws, mandate impact assessments before launching AI platforms so that we ensure that they're not harmful or manipulative. We invest in AI literacy programs to empower our citizens and define ethical boundaries to prevent AI from influencing and overriding human cognition, ensuring that people remain in charge of their thought processes. As for lazy humans, I think there's a real risk. AI can automate so much that critical thinking, creativity, and problem solving could erode if we let it. Humans might grow too reliant on machines, even for the most basic decisions. I believe that education systems need to evolve to emphasize skills like ethical reasoning, adaptability, and creativity, things that machines can't replace. AI could amplify human potential, not replace it. Artificial intelligence has the power to enhance human capacity and address inequalities, but critical thinking and cognitive abilities must remain foundational. The idea of integrating knowledge building frameworks alongside AI is brilliant and a way to ensure that humans are actively developing alongside technology. So, democratizing education through AI could be a game changer for Africa. The potential to bridge gaps in access to quality learning, mentorship, and skills development is immense. But infrastructure is the backbone for this transformation. Without reliable access to data, fiber, and networks, the benefit of AI and digital education remain out of reach for many. Governments, private sector, and even global organizations have to collaborate to expand the digital infrastructure, promote public private partnerships, and utilize mobile technology. Once those barriers are addressed, AI powered education could transform how people learn, offering personalized, localized content, breaking language barriers, and empowering lifelong learning. Africa has the potential again to leapfrog traditional models and create something entirely new. Now, let's talk about AI and sustainability. Artificial intelligence is a game changer in driving sustainability. From predictive analytics to optimization techniques, AI enables organizations and governments to minimize their environmental footprint while maximizing efficiency. AI models also analyze vast data sets to predict climate patterns, optimize energy use, and reduce emissions. Organizations like Google and IBM are already leveraging AI to model climate risks as well as provide real time solutions. Smart grids powered by AI improve energy distribution, reducing waste, and optimizing consumption in industrial and residential spaces. AI systems can track water patterns and detect inefficiencies, ensuring better conservation strategies. It also helps smart waste sorting as well as recycling. It plays a critical role in sustainability, corporate reporting, and advancement in green technology. And through sustainable reporting, it is critical to ensure transparency and accountability of ESG factors. Now, Risk Insights developed the AI powered tool ESG GPS, which enables companies to assess their environmental impact accurately. We've seen that green technology driven by AI is making significant strides in reducing carbon footprints and improving resource efficiency. Some applications include renewable energy optimization, where AI enhances the efficiency of solar, wind, and hydroelectric power by predicting weather patterns and adjusting energy output accordingly. We've also seen smart agriculture, where AI precision farming techniques help optimize water use, soil health, and crop yields by minimizing environmental impact. And we've also seen urban planning, where AI supports the development of smart cities by managing traffic flow, reducing emissions, and improving public transportation efficiency. And then there's carbon capture storage, which means that AI enhances carbon capture technologies by improving the efficiency and accuracy of CO2 sequestration. So, as we move forward, AI will continue to shape the future of sustainability, reporting, and green technology. By embracing AI driven solutions, we can drive greater transparency, efficiency, innovation in our fight against climate change. So, AI is reshaping industries and it's fundamentally altering employment opportunities, skills requirement, and the economic landscape. It will impact jobs in some industries, which will either thrive or decline, so we need to prepare for this transformation and risks. Artificial intelligence is automating repetitive tasks, enhancing decision making, and creating new efficiencies, leading to both job displacements but also the emergence of new roles. It is also generating new opportunities, particularly in AI development, cybersecurity, data science, and robotics. The demand for digital literacy, critical thinking, and problem solving skills is increasing as companies integrate AI into their workflows. AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning experts will be in high demand. We've also seen that in the healthcare sector, which is an extremely important sector, where AI is improving diagnostics, personalized medicine, and operational efficiencies, creating new roles in AI driven medical analysis. We've also seen AI changing fraud detection as well as risk management and financial forecasting. They are industries that are at risk because of AI, which include manufacturing and assembly line kind of jobs, where automation is reducing the need for human labor in production processes. Retail and customer service, where chatbots, self service kiosks, and online shopping are disrupting traditional retail roles. There's also the change in logistics and transportation sector where autonomous vehicles and AI driven supply chains will reduce dependency on human drivers and manual logistic management. Clerical and administrative jobs are at risk where AI systems are handling scheduling, data processing, and customer interactions more efficiently. While artificial intelligence brings efficiency and innovation, it also introduces a whole lot of risks, such as job loss and economic disruption, where large scale job displacements can lead to economic instability in countries if reskilling efforts are inadequate. It can create wage polarization, where AI driven roles often require advanced skills, leading to a growing wage gap between high skill and low skill workers. It can create bias and ethical concerns where AI driven hiring and management processes can unintentionally reinforce biasness, leading to unfair employment practices. Security risk, where there's a reliance on AI, exposes business to cybersecurity threats, including data breaches and algorithm manipulation. So, what can we do about this? To mitigate AI risks and maximize our benefits, we need to proactively create strategies where we invest in education and reskilling, lifelong learning cultures where employees must continuously update their skills to remain competitive in this AI job driven market. Policymakers need to ensure ethical AI deployment where there's fair wages and equitable job transition. We need to ensure that there's strong PPP structures with a collaboration between corporations, universities, and governments that can drive AI workforce development programs. And we need to encourage human AI collaboration. So instead of replacing workers, AI should be designed to augment human capabilities, increasing productivity while preserving job opportunities. So the impact on AI is significant on employment with both challenges and opportunities ahead. So while certain industries will decline, many others will flourish, demanding new skills and adaptability. So prioritizing education, innovation, and ethical AI development and deployment can create a future where AI enhances productivity without leaving the workers behind. So, readiness isn't just about policy, it's about understanding the speed of innovation. AI platforms are showcasing that the artificial intelligence race isn't just about who has the best ideas, but who can execute faster, more affordably, and on a global scale. I hope you found this episode insightful. Join me soon for another impactful episode where we explore DEI. I'm Anushka Bogdanov, and ciao for now.